Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning with Vakil, and today I will explain UK visa process. So as I explained in my earlier video that there are the four visa types, but the application procedure is almost same. So I will put the application link into description box that you can see later. But if you click at any application link, there will be a certain process or the steps to complete the visa process. So the very first step is that you have to create the login. So once you have the login, you can use that detail to complete your application. So you have to fill in all the details and you have to submit the required documents. So what are those documents that you can see at the end of this video for every types of the visa? So the third step is that you have to pay the visa processing fee, and the last step is you have to pay the health surcharges fee. So in other words, in the visa application, you have to pay all this fee at the time of the application. So once you completed this application process, it will ask you to book the appointment with the visa agent to complete your biometrics. So you have to check nearest your agent for the biometrics and the appointment dates available, and you have to complete this one together with your visa application. So once you completed the appointment, your visa application is almost done. So you have to print out the visa application and you have to prepare all the documents in original and as well as copies, and you go to the agent for the biometrics at the day of your appointment. So once you will reach to the agent will check your all the documents and check your application. If everything will matches, it will take your passport and it will give you, of course, some kind of the receipt that you submitted the document and the passport. So that's it. Everything is done from your side. Now you have to wait for the visa approval, and once it's approved, you will get the message notification that your passport is ready to pick up. So now let's see the documents and the procedure for each type of visa. So let's start with the tier 1 visa. Under tier 1 visa, there are two categories. Number 1 is an investor visa and number 2 is global talent visa. So let's start with the global talent visa first. So the global talent visa have two subcategories. One can apply as a leader or potential to be a leader in one of the four fields. Number 1 is science, medicine, engineering and humanities. So now what documents are required for this visa application? So very first one is you must be a very active researcher in your field. Number 2 is you must have a PhD degree, and number 3 you must provide a recommendation letter from one of very famous person in your field. In addition to these three documents, you need some additional document, and that list you can see on your screen. How to apply for Global Talent Visa Scheme? It has a two-stage process. In stage 1, you have to apply for the endorsement letter to respective body. Once you have the endorsement letter, you can apply directly for the second stage, that is actually the Global Talent Visa. The first step, the endorsement letter, it normally takes 5 weeks, and the second step for the visa, it takes around 8 weeks for the processing. What is a Global Talent Visa fee? So around £608 for the visa processing fee and around 624 as a health surcharges per year you have to pay for this Global Talent Visa. And I think I also would like to explain that how one can process from visa to a passport or to the settlement. So in UK there is a very specific route. So the route is that you have to apply for the visa first, and after certain time you can apply for ILR, that is indefinite leave to remain, and after 1 year of your ILR you can apply for the passport. So now the time period from your visa to ILR is actually depend on the visa type. So for this specific Global Talent Visa, you can apply after 3 years from your visa, you can apply for ILR process, and then after 1 year you can apply for passport. So it means from visa to your passport, it will take around 4 years to get the settlement based on Global Talent Visa. So the second visa category under tier 1 is an investor visa, and I think this category is quite straightforward because it is for the people who has around £2 million and they are willing to invest in UK. So there are only two requirements for this visa. Number 1 is you must have 2 million or over £2 million and you are willing to invest in UK, and the second one is you must be over 18. And in terms of the visa fee, so the visa processing fees is £1,600 plus one have to pay the health surcharges per month according to the requirement. And in terms of the length of the visa, it can be applied until 5-year time period, And the settlement from visa to passport, it depends on the amount of the investment that one is willing to invest in UK. The second visa type is a tier 2 visa, or also called the skilled worker visa. And there are three main requirements for the eligibility of this visa. So the very first one is you must have a job letter from any company in UK. And the second one is you must have a sponsorship certificate. And the third one is you must be paid minimum as per the government regulations. So if you fulfill all these three requirements, you can apply for skilled worker or tier 2 visa for UK. It take around 8 weeks for the visa processing, and one have to pay £610 as a visa processing fee and £624 per year as a health surcharges. And you can apply for 1 year, 3 year or 5 year time period. But from visa to ILR, it normally take 5 years and another 1 year for the passport. So on this tier 2 visa or skilled worker visa, you need at least 6 years for the passport from the visa. In next video, I will invite one of my colleague who secured this global talent visa successfully by filling application by his own, to share his experience and to give some useful tips to complete this visa process. So stay tuned with Learning with Vakil. Thank you very much.